Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined problem on your app store in iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 18, and you are trying to download apps from your app store but you are facing this problem and you are unable to make payments or purchase apps from your app store, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device and then tap on general, tap on software update and check if there is any update available for you. Then you have to simply update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on screen time, and now scroll it below and tap on content and privacy restrictions and turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now you have to open your profile, and from here you have to go to your payment method or payment and shipping. So guys, go to your payment method, and from here you have to simply remove your payment method from your device for one time. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily remove your payment method from here. So guys, once it is done, simply go back and now you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So I simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this restart your device as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply sign in your Apple ID again on your device. So guys, sign in your Apple ID again and then go to payment and shipping option again and add your payment method again on your device. So guys, simply tap on payment and shipping and add your payment method correctly from here and select the country or region correctly as well. So guys, simply select the country or region correctly as well, and then hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, for that you have to simply download this support app on your iPhone, and then you can easily get support from the Apple team using this app. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.